Have you ever heard of cryotherapy? It's an intense and fascinating therapy where people expose their bodies to extremely cold temperatures for just a few minutes. It might sound shocking, but the benefits are incredible. Join us today as we explore how this freezing treatment works and how it's helping people manage pain, reduce inflammation, and more. Cryotherapy, which literally means cold therapy, is becoming increasingly popular for treating pain, inflammation, and muscle recovery. But how does it work? When your body is exposed to temperatures as low as -200 degrees Fahrenheit for a short period, the extreme cold triggers a series of anti-inflammatory responses. This helps to reduce swelling, ease muscle soreness, and speed up recovery, which is why athletes and fitness enthusiasts often use whole-body cryotherapy after intense workouts. The science behind it is simple. The cold causes your blood vessels to constrict, reducing blood flow to inflamed areas. Once you warm up again, the blood vessels dilate, bringing oxygen-rich blood back to the area, which helps reduce pain and inflammation. And the benefits don't stop there. Cryotherapy is also known to boost mood by releasing endorphins, your body's natural feel-good chemicals. In addition to whole-body cryotherapy, there's also localized cryotherapy, where specific areas of the body are targeted to treat injuries like sprains or manage chronic pain. By applying cold directly to the injured area, this form of therapy can help decrease pain and swelling without affecting the rest of the body. Whether it's for muscle recovery, managing pain, or even just improving your mood, cryotherapy offers a powerful, natural way to reduce inflammation and speed up healing. It's no wonder athletes swear by it. If you're curious to try it out or want to learn more about its benefits, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more deep dives into cutting-edge therapies and health tips. Thanks for watching.